Nori is feeding the chickens and rabbits at a rescue farm. There are 5 animals altogether. Counting their legs, there are 14. How many rabbits live at the farm? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Pretend they are all chickens first, then count the missing legs. Let us draw the 5 animals. Each animal is either a chicken or a rabbit. We do not yet know which is which. 5 spots for 5 animals. Here is the trick. Let us pretend all 5 animals are chickens. Each chicken has 2 legs. So 5 chickens would have 5 times 2 legs. That is 10 legs in total. But the problem says there are 14 legs. We pretended there were only 10. So we are missing 4 legs. Where did those 4 legs come from? Each time we swap a chicken for a rabbit, we trade 2 legs for 4 legs. That is 2 more legs per swap. To find 4 more legs, we swap 2 chickens. So 2 of the 5 animals are rabbits. The other 3 are chickens. Let us check. 3 chickens with 2 legs each is 6 legs. 2 rabbits with 4 legs each is 8 legs. 6 plus 8 is 14 legs. The numbers match. This is the pretend trick. When you have 2 types of things mixed together and you know a total, pretend all of them are the same type first. Count what is missing, then swap one type for the other to fix it. Missing amount divided by the difference per swap gives the number to swap. The same idea works for bicycles and tricycles, triangles and hexagons, anything that comes in 2 kinds. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.